Hey there, it's time for your Monday morning update. It is January 12th, 2026, and we are here to bring you news you may or may not have heard with a little bit of our own spin. Another of those monolithic things from the era of COVID is falling. Yes, there is a peer-reviewed paper out linking COVID vaccines to cancer. A newly published peer-reviewed study in OncoTarget does something that was functionally forbidden for 4 years. It systematically catalogs cancer cases temporarily associated with COVID vaccination and COVID infection. That asks carefully, explicitly, whether mRNA might plausibly connect the dots. The paper titled COVID Vaccination and Post-Infection Cancer Signals, Evaluating Patterns and Potential Biological Mechanisms went online January 3rd and was promptly attacked by hackers. They not only took the paper down, they took the entire website down. It's still down. Somebody in Big Pharma paid somebody to make sure that you couldn't see it. Well, guess what? We can. And we're going to share you a link thanks to Jeff Childers at Coffee and COVID. But before we do that, we're going to read you some very, very important text from this document that has the people in the big pharma industry and all the mRNA boosters and everybody else who said it's not gene therapy because that was a conspiracy theory. Guess what? Another conspiracy bites the dust. Quote, the case studies and emerging population-level data described above may represent an early signal of possible association between vaccination or infection and cancer that warrant further investigation. This report has lots of pictures, lots of graphs, lots of details. In addition, the COVID mRNA vaccines work by instructing the target cells to produce the SARS-CoV-2 spike protein. I'm going to screw up some of the medical terms, I suspect, so bear with me. This occurs by introducing a synthetic modified mRNA, which they call mod mRNA, which incorporates non-natural sidoridine into its coding region to prolong the stability of the mRNA beyond that of natural mRNA. Introduction of the mod RNA is accomplished using lipid-based transfection in the form of lipid nanoparticles, LNPs. We've talked about those in the past. The result is highly efficient transfection of the mod mRNA into target cells with biochemical and pharmacological behavior different from naturally occurring mRNA. This segment is also brought to you by somebody making breakfast in my kitchen. Consequently, the mod RNA is transcribed into the foreign spike protein as well as other frame-shifted protein products, which elicits a robust immune response. Given the stability of sidoridine-modified mRNA, along with the residual DNA in the mRNA vaccine formulations, the mRNA vaccines are delivering exogenous genetic material, DNA and RNA, in the form of engineered nucleic acids into a patient's cells. The COVID-19 mRNA vaccines produce spike protein that is encoded by a stable mRNA and has been found to be long-lived in the human body. These nucleic acid elements have been reported to contribute to post-COVID vaccine syndrome. Thus, these vaccines fit the definition of gene therapy. There you go. We'll link the report. You can check it out yourself. Not a lot of places you can get this entire piece of research right now. We're happy to help. Have a great Monday. We'll see you tomorrow.